Number 4. Find the coefficient of z squared and z raised by 0 in the expansion of 1 over 5z minus 4 raised to the power of 2. Now let's look at this question. The solution to this question. Solution. We have 1 over 5 z minus 4 raised to the power of 2. We write this in two places. It's the same thing as 1 over 5z multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 5z minus 4. Now, expanding. The first term in the first binomial expansion is 1 over 5z. It's going to be used to multiply the whole of the second binomial expression. So the second term also we have minus 4. We are going to do the same thing. Multiply everything. That's minus 4 into 1 over 5z minus 4. So what do we have? This is equals to 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. That is 1 times 1, that is 1. 5 times 5, 25. 1 over 25, and z times z squared. We use this to multiply this. Now we use 1 over 5z also to multiply minus 4. That's minus 4 times 1. So we have minus 4 over 5z. Then the next thing for us to do is to use minus 4 to multiply each term inside this. So minus 4 times 1 over 5 will give us minus 4 over 5. Then we have z. Now, minus times minus, what do we have? Plus. And 4 times 4, what do we have? That is 16. So we have used this one to multiply this. We also use this minus 4 to multiply this. Now, the next thing for us to do is to simplify further. 1 over 25z squared minus 4 minus 4. That is what? Minus 8. So we have minus 8 over 5z plus 16. So this is the expansion of this. Now we asked to find the coefficient of z squared and z raised by 0. Now, coefficient of z squared. Coefficient of z squared is a number in front of z squared. What is that? 1 over what? The number in front of z squared. That's 1 over 25. That's the number in front of z squared. And what will be the coefficient of z raised by 0? You can see, if you check this, z squared, what's the power of this? The power of this z here is 1. Now, you should recall that z raised by 0 will give us 1. So z raised by 0 has to do with the constant term. This place is same thing as writing z raised by 0. 16z raised by 0 is the same thing as 16 times z raised by 0. What is z raised by 0? 1. So meaning that 16 times 1 will give us 16. So what I'm saying is this. 16 is same thing as 16z raised to the power of 0. So what is the coefficient of z raised by 0? is the number in front of this z raised by 0. That is 16. And is the same thing as constant term in the quadratic expansion. So I will write coefficient of z raised by 0 equals to what? 16, which is also the same thing as a constant term. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.